I spend a lot of time at my desk because I work from home and also because all of my hobbies involve sitting at my desk either at my computer or at my sewing machine. So both of those things require a really clean table. But as you can see, like one section of it is somewhat clean, but then if you just nudge a little bit to the right, it is a mountain of mess. Like it's literally a bomb. So yeah, I am going to try and revamp my desk area so that it becomes a little bit more functional and also doesn't give me a reason to procrastinate finishing some of the projects that I've been doing for like a long time. That being said, this room makeover has been going on for like 4 or 5 months already. A couple of things, I just kind of got lazy, procrastinated, but also I just couldn't figure out how I wanted to do things, or I couldn't figure out what the problem was. Now looking at my setup, I think I have somewhat of some storage, but it's just utilized really poorly. So without further ado, let's get on with this room makeover. First thing I'm doing is unboxing my Twinkly. I have this idea of making a cafe themed light thing. So it's kind of like I'm in a little cafe with my coffee and my bread. Yeah, my bread fell down really quickly. Fast forward to the present, this is what my room looks like. It's, yeah, a bit messy. I've got this cupboard where I've kind of shoved everything, not organized, everything all over the place. So yeah, better start cleaning. IKEA. It's a mini orchid. It's so cute. Okay, so it's no secret that my cable management is horrible, to say the least, but I picked up a couple of things that are going to help me kind of make it a little bit nicer. I got this USB hub with 4 USB switches, hopefully that's enough, and then I've got some cable management stuff from IKEA, and lastly I picked up this little metal tray to put my power cable in. What's it called? To put my power board in, and yeah, hopefully that's enough to kind of fix everything up and hide it. Okay, so this is the current state of my room. As you can see with the lights off, it is a bit dark. So I want to add just a little bit more to the back of my monitor, and I've got these LED lights that I got off Kmart, and I'm just gonna put it behind my monitor and hopefully add a bit more of a glow, add a bit more ambience. So many options. I think I like this one. It matches my vibe.